Number 1. Breville BSB510XL Control Grip Immersion Blender. This immersion blender has a lot of great features that make it our top pick. Unlike other models that create a vortex that pulls food into the blades and suction themselves to the bottom of the container, the Breville's blade guard is uniquely shaped to prevent this. It requires more up and down motion to blend uniformly, but we still found it easy to operate. The rubber handle is soft, narrow, and comfortable to grip, and the on button is easy to hold down. The blender attachment clips on and off with ease, and it never feels loose when clipped on. It features 15 speed settings for different foods, and it came with the largest lidded mixing jar we tested, 42 ounces. Its lid doubles as an anti-slip mat to place under the jar. This model also includes a food processor and whisk attachment, and all attachments are dishwasher safe. Number 2. Hamilton Beach 59765 Immersion Hand Blender. This low-cost immersion blender does a great job blending softer foods like soups, milkshakes, whipped cream, and dressings. It has a 225-watt motor, the lowest we tested, yet it was powerful enough to blend a pot of soup smoothly in under 90 seconds. It features 2 blending speeds, high and low, controlled by 2 large buttons that are easy to press down. Of all the immersion blenders we tested, this one has the shortest shaft, 5 inches, which is great for small batch blending, but would be difficult to use in a deep container like a tall pot of soup. It comes with whisk and food processor attachments that are our top rack dishwasher safe. Keep in mind the plastic handle has a wide circumference, and it feels a little slippery, making it tiresome to hold onto, especially if you have small hands, and the blending attachment did not feel as sturdy as other models we evaluated. Number 3. All-Clad Cordless Rechargeable Stainless Steel Immersion Multifunctional Hand Blender. If you don't want to be tethered to one spot in the kitchen, or if you don't have an outlet by your stove, this pick features a rechargeable battery that ran for over 15 minutes on high speed. In our tests on a full charged battery, it took about 2 hours to fully recharge from empty. Keep in mind you will need a little counter space for the charging unit. We like the safety feature. Tap a button on top to unlock, then press the trigger to operate. It will automatically lock itself if you don't press the trigger after 30 seconds. The blade attachment and handle, which is narrow, comfortable, and not slippery at all, are made of stainless steel. We were impressed with how powerful it was, and it has one of the more quiet motors we evaluated. It also comes in a corded model. Number 4. Cuisinart Smart Stick Variable Speed Hand Blender. This Cuisinart blender features a speed dial that makes it easy to puree soup quickly and without making a big mess. Start on low and slowly increase the speed to get a smooth, splatter-free puree. Despite having narrow blade guards and a 300-watt motor, it was able to blend soup in about 60 seconds. We didn't feel any stubborn suction, making it easy to maneuver around the pot. It did have trouble blending a smoothie. There were large chunks of fruit and ice left behind even after a 2-minute mark. It was one of the few in our tests with a safety feature. You have to press the unlock button to activate the trigger. Both were easy and comfortable to press while gripping the handle, which is narrow and ergonomic without feeling heavy. It comes with a mixing jar, food processor, and whisk attachment, all of which are dishwasher safe. The blending attachment is not. Number 5. Braun MQ7035X 3-in-1 Immersion Hand. Unlike the other immersion blenders we tested, the Braun has a variable speed button. The harder you press, the more powerfully it blends. Also, the height of the blade adjusts to the height of the food you're blending, which makes blending more secure and helps prevent splatters. It features a narrow bell-shaped blade guard that has no vents, which means you don't have to stop the blender to remove food that can get wrapped around the vents. It comes with a dishwasher-safe mixing jar, food processor, and whisk attachment,